Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another natural hair video. So in today's video, I'll be doing a twist out using Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I saw a couple of Instagram posts where folks were talking about this curl enhancing smoothie. So I love Shea Moisture as it is. I always use their Jamaican black castor oil line, and so I was like, well, let me give it a try and see what this will be like. But before we get started, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload my next video. Alrighty, so I am starting off on freshly washed hair, and I make sure to deep condition. Now I'm just going to use my spray bottle with some water and just spray all over my hair, just because it did get a little dry while I was getting dressed for my shower. So for my leave-in conditioner, I'm using the Dove Amplified Textures Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner for coils, curls, and waves. And I am just rubbing that through my hair and kind of finger raking my hair so I can get my strands nice and saturated. And now I am using my wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. I really love using this leave-in conditioner because it really just allows my hair to feel so soft and moisturized. And now I am just twisting my hair so I can get it ready to do my twist out. Here I have the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and then I also have the Mielle Moisturizing Styling Gel. And I'll be using these two to do my twist out. So here I am just sectioning my hair into smaller sections. I like to do about medium-sized twists when I'm doing my twist out. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of the curl enhancing smoothie, not too much because I don't want to weigh my hair down. And I just rake it through my hair, and then once I am done raking it, I actually use a Denman brush to brush my strands just to get it nice and free of tangles. And next I add a little bit of the gel, and once I add that, I go ahead and start twisting. So at the ends of my hair, I noticed that they were a little frayed, and that means that I am definitely in need of a trim. So I decided to use some scissors and just cut off the little frayed ends. So the curl enhancing smoothie has coconut and hibiscus and silk protein and neem oil. So the coconut oil is actually supposed to hydrate and protect my hair while helping to reduce breakage. The silk protein smooths hair for a soft and silky feel, and the neem oil controls frizz while adding brilliant shine. So far, I am enjoying this curl enhancing smoothie. I feel like it is really giving my hair the moisture that it needs while also giving it that nice shiny look. So I am just going to continue doing those same steps of adding the curl enhancing smoothie, brushing my hair out with the Denman brush, adding the gel, and then twisting my hair, and I'm going to continue that throughout my whole head. So I am done with all of the twists in my hair. Now I'm just going to sit under a hooded dryer to get my roots a bit dry. And then I am going to let these air dry overnight, and I'll be back tomorrow morning. So it's the next day, and I made sure that my hair was completely dry. One thing you don't ever want to do is take out twists if your hair is not fully dry. Now I'm using the Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy Black Castor and Tea Tree Restoring Hair and Scalp Oil. And I'm using this oil so that way when I'm unraveling my twists, I won't get as much frizz. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair so that way it'll be easier for me to keep track of which twists I am taking out. And I use the butterfly clips because they're able to keep all of the twists in one place while I get ready to unravel. So now I am just starting to unravel the twist. I know you can't really see it that well because I decided to clip my hair in a very awkward place, but it came out really well. I love the definition, and what I like to do, instead of waiting until I take out all of my twists, I actually go ahead and separate my twists once I take it out. That way I know which twists have been separated and gives me maximum definition. So here you can see a little bit better how I take my twists out. I just start from the bottom and just unravel my way up. So now all of the twists are out, and I am just going to take this pick and kind of just fluff my roots and get a little bit more volume in my hair. So here is the final product, and y'all, I am loving this twist out. The definition is everything. This curl enhancing smoothie did what it was supposed to do. It enhanced the curls. Let me know down in the comments what is your favorite go-to combination for twist outs. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye!